Have you ever felt frustrated after a recent food pantry visit? Today we are going to show you how to make microwave applesauce muffins for an exciting twist using these common food pantry items. Combine Bisquick, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. In a separate bowl, combine 5 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of applesauce, 2 tablespoons of oil, and 1/4 cup of milk. Combine into dry ingredients and mix thoroughly. Spray the cup with some cooking spray and add about 1/4 cup of mix. Sprinkle with some cinnamon and sugar and put the cup in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Remove the cup carefully and enjoy.